Building a desktop PC is a great way to get into computer hardware and learn how to put together a system from scratch. This guide will walk you through the process of choosing and assembling the components you need to build a basic desktop computer. 1. Choose a CPU. The brain of your computer is the CPU, or central processing unit. There are many different types and models of PCs on the market, so it's important to choose one that will fit your needs. 2. Choose a motherboard. The motherboard is the main circuit board of your computer. It houses the CPU, RAM, and other components. You'll need to choose a motherboard that is compatible with your CPU. 3. Choose RAM. RAM, or random access memory, is where your computer stores data and programs while they're in use. You'll need to choose the right type and amount of RAM for your system. 4. Choose a storage device. Your computer's storage device holds all of your data and programs. 5. Choose a graphics card. A graphics card is responsible for rendering images on your monitor. If you plan on doing any gaming or graphic-intensive work, you'll need a good graphics card. 6. Choose a power supply. The power supply provides power to all of the components in your computer. You'll need to choose a power supply that is compatible with your motherboard and other components. 7. Assemble your computer. Once you have all of your components, it's time to put your computer together. Refer to your motherboard's manual for specific instructions on how to do this. 8. Install your operating system. The last step is to install your operating system. This will allow you to use your computer. Windows and Linux are the two most popular operating systems.